says about point P here. The normal to curve at P is parallel to the line 2x plus 3y equals 0. I've got to find the value of k. So normal at P is parallel to 2x plus 3y equals 0. So I need to find out the gradient of that. So 3y equals negative 2x. So y equals negative 2/3 x. And so therefore the normal at P is negative 2/3. Therefore the gradient of tangent at P is 3/2. That's looking quite good. So now we know that we've got y equals k times by x to the half, the square root of x. I know the gradient of it now, so I can do dy by dx equals a half k. We're differentiating, so that power decreases, so x to the negative half. So that means that equals half k, so that's k over 2. And this x to the minus a half, well, the minus bit means over, so I'll make it a bit longer here. And so that will be over the x to the half will go down here, that's the square root of x. So that's what that equals. And we said that when x equals 4, the gradient, so k over 2 root x equals 3/2. And now we can do it. X is 4, so k over 2 times square root of 4 is 2 equals 3/2. So k equals times both sides by 4, that will be 6. So k equals 6. Found the first part. And now the second part. This normal meets the x-axis at the point Q. Okay, I'm going to have to draw this. I can draw it quite nicely now because I know that my curve, or roughly quite nicely, y equals k root x, that's 6 root x, so it's going to go something like that. And so y equals 6 root x, and when x equals 4, the normal to the curve 4, so the curve down here meets the x-axis at Q. So that's Q, that's right angle, that's 4. 6 times root 4, 6 times 2 is 12. So that point across here is 12. I think we're heading there. And this is P, and O is here. So basically that's what I need to find. I need to find the area of the triangle OPQ. So I've got this triangle here. So I know I don't know the base. I need to know what this point is here is. I know the height of that is 12 because it's 412. All I need to know is what Q is. So to do that, I want to find out what the equation of that line is. Well, we know it's going to be y equals, it's going to be minus 2/3 x, because that was the normal. We worked out it had to be parallel to that, plus c. I need to find out what c is. So find c by subbing any point on that line. Well, the only point I know is 412. As you know by now, I struggle to remember which way to put these around. So xy, so y is 12, so 12 equals minus 2/3 times by x, which is 4, plus c, so 12 equals, that would be minus 8/3 plus c, so c will equal 12 plus, what's that, 2 2/3, that would be 14 2/3. So the equation of the line therefore is y equals minus 2/3 x plus 14 2/3. So that was the equation of the line I've just worked out. What I'm still trying to work out is what the value of that point is there, and that is when y is 0. Okay, I want to find out what x is. So when y equals 0, that'll be 0, so if I add 2/3, I'll get 2/3 of x equals 14 2/3. times both things by 3, so I give 2x's 3 14 is 42, 3 44, so x equals 22. That's fantastic. That's 22. 0 in my graph isn't particularly accurate, but it doesn't matter. I can now work out the area of a triangle, so I'm going to come all the way up here. So area of triangle is half the base times the height, which equals a half times the base. It's 22, from 0 to 22, times by the height, which is 12, so that equals half 22. 11 times 12, which equals 132 units squared, or square units. And that's question 11. And that's quite a tricky last question, but that's question 11 and the whole paper done.